It is January 1st, 2018, and I feel like going old school YouTube, and instead of doing a voiceover, I'm just gonna talk to you in my bathroom with the annoying fan on. I'm all like bloated face and stuff, and all I've had is candy for the holidays and hot Cheetos. I don't know why I have a problem with hot Cheetos right now. Anyway, so I'm about to dye my hair brown because I just feel like having a break from the colorfulness, and I've lost a little bit of weight, and for some reason whenever I lose more weight, the lower my weight goes, the more I don't need the security blanket of my hair, because my hair has always been a security blanket. So I'm gonna go back to brown, probably just for a little bit, because you guys know how I work. For the past week I have been washing my hair with a clarifying shampoo and a dandruff shampoo and really hot water, because I've been trying to fade this blue. This is Ion underneath, but I've been retouching it and using Overtone's Extreme Blue on the top, and like when I shower, you know, Overtone has that whole kit for conditioner. Anyway, so it's still pretty stuck in my hair. It's gonna be really hard to get rid of this, but I'm just gonna do it because you guys know me. I don't care if my hair falls off. It's alright. It's fine. And clothing change. Ran out of clothes that I normally wear. So what I'm gonna do is a bleach bath, and right now the bleach that I use is still the L'Oreal Quick Blue and an Ion Sensitive Scalp 20 volume at the moment. And to make it a bath, I'm just gonna bleach in. I'm gonna mix in some more of this clarifying shampoo and maybe a little bit of water to set it up, and we'll see. I don't ever do a particular time. I just watch my hair, see how it processes. So, I might end up spilling. Oh god, this is terrible. Tilt. Alright. I've got about a scoop of the powder, about a scoop and a half of developer, and a scoop of shampoo, and like half a scoop of warm water. And then I'll mix it together. I'm trying not to spill everywhere. If you decide to put a bag on your head, make sure that the logo part is pointing out, because otherwise it will get on your hair because the bleach will make it come off. So I'm just gonna sit here and watch it, rinse it out. When it's done, it looks like it's turning it teal again, which I don't mind that color, but I really want to go back to brown. So we'll see. I might have to do this twice. My favorite thing. One bleach bath down. Probably gonna have to do it again. We'll see what it looks like when it's dry. It's kind of a pretty color right now. I wish it was summer. I would have left it. Cool. Bleach bath number 2. Okay, next step, I'm using the cheapest red I could find, because when you have bleached hair, it's the absence of pigment, and if you try to go straight to, they can't see you, if you try to go straight to brown, there's a possibility that it will turn green or purple or blue, because you need all the colors of the rainbow. So I chose, just for this temporary step, this Revlon Bright Auburn, so I can add some red pigment into my hair, and then I can do the brown. And the Buffer likes it, Buffer likes it. He said, oh my god, you just put his face on it. Okay, good stuff. So here's my mistake. I grabbed an auburn instead of like a real orange. I can see it kind of trying to turn orange, not in this light on the camera, but because red dyes always look purple when they're processing. I don't know why.
I hipped.
So what I'm doing is...
I hipped.
Yes, you did. I'm taking some old orange dye that I had, and I'm just going to shove it in while it's processing. It's probably not even going to show up. But no matter what, whenever you put a dye on bleached empty hair, it looks funky. Normally, after I put in an orange dye, it looks like a dead, old, dried up rubber band. Like, that's the color my hair is probably going to look. So, don't freak out. Not freaking out. Nope. Never freak out.
Woo, it's cold. Oh my goodness.
So when you sufficiently look like a antique rubber band, you can then, they didn't have to know that.
Why?
You can move on to the next step, which is the actual color that you want.
Can't see me.
No, they can't see you.
I'm afraid.
So, isn't this a beautiful color? I should stay this color forever.
You remind me of an eraser.
An old eraser. Like a old, you know those really old dried up rubber bands, like the big ones? That's what this color reminds me of. Anyway, so for the color that I have chosen, Garnier 53, medium golden brown. Probably won't come out looking like the box completely.
Why does it say medium?
Because it's a medium brown. I don't know. It's a nice brown.
Small, medium, large brown.
Mm-hmm.
How does that work?
So then, miraculously, after you dye your hair brown, it grows 15 inches and you look fabulous and stuff. Just kidding. I took my mini house extensions and I dyed them with the same brown so that they would blend nicely, but I left the ends out so that they would be a little bit lighter and almost like a ombre, slightly balayaged, sun-kissed look to my hair. That's just how I wanted to do it. I bought these in number 8. I believe that's ash brown on their website. So how I did this was I just started at the top of the extensions, and as the brush emptied, I just sort of feathered it down towards the bottom of the extensions without completely saturating the ends and trying to blend it very carefully so that there wouldn't be any ugly lines or whatever. Some of the extensions have little splotches, but that's just because I'm not very good. But they came out perfectly fine. I'm happy with my hair, and I'm feeling great. This is very close to my natural hair color, and everything just, 2018 is stepping it up a notch. It's gonna be great. My extensions will be linked down below. I have a coupon code right here for you guys. Hope this video was helpful to some of you. I hope you enjoyed it more vlog style rather than voiceover. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.